Hi, this is Joe with AJ Antunes. We were talking about the VCT 2000 flashing low after 30 minutes. Okay, so on the back side of the VCT 2000, you'll see a black cap with like a little flat plate of screw recess in there. This one's already loose, but we're going to unscrew it. You're going to see either a green or black button behind it. It doesn't matter what color it is. You're going to press it, and you should feel a light click to reset. Once you felt the click, go ahead and reinsert the cap, install the cap, and you're good to go. Low after 30 minutes, we're going to check either the high limit to see if we reset it but didn't take care of the problem. We'll check that for voltage. We'll have the unit turned on. I'll try my voltmeter to volts AC, and you'll check from the white wire on the turbo block. Go inside there and check both sides. And you're looking for a difference of 208 or 230 on this side. Right now we have 0, which means we have zero difference of potential, which means we don't have a problem. If you saw this, that's 230 on the one side. That's telling you we have an open high limit. Now also I have this relay simulating a stuck open relay by disconnecting the negative wire. You would check from your white wire here, check your voltage coming in, and then you check your voltage going out, and you got nothing coming out. Okay, so voltage coming into the unit 230, going out we have 0. That's showing you that the relay is stuck open. That would give you your low after 30 minutes. Low is normal when up to 30 minutes because it has to heat up the temperature. And if it's after 30 minutes, relay or your high limit may be stuck open.